Hello friends, today we are going to see how to add and subtract two numbers in the IDEAL. IDEAL means Integrated Development Learning Environment, which is the platform I'm using for writing the code. Now, you can see this hash symbol. This hash symbol is the command. So, whatever you're writing in the hash will not be executed by the interpreter. It is taken as the command. Now, I've written the question in the hash by using the hash symbol. Now, let's start the program. So, here I am taking two variables, num1. It is stored with the value 10. So in this particular program, I'm going to show you to write this addition and subtraction program in two different ways. First is by accepting the value from the user, and also the second method is directly giving the value in the program. Here first is we are directly giving the value in the program. Num1 equal to 10 and num2 equal to 20. Then third variable sum equals to num1 plus num2. Now I'm going to print it. Print. Either I can write print sum like this. So the answer will be displayed. That is 30 will be displayed. Or I can write along with the message. So it will be more nice to see. So the answer after addition equals to, close the double quotes and put a comma, then I write the sum. So here sum is a variable, num1 is a variable and num2 is a variable. Num1 is directly given the value 10 and num2 is also directly given the value 20. Sum is equal to num1 plus num2. So answers are calculated and the numbers are added and the answer is stored in the variable sum. Then we print it. Now, after that, save the file. So, when you save the file, you can give the name sum5.py. So, py is the extension of the Python file. .py, the name .py. Py is the extension of the Python file. Then save the file. So now the file is saved. The next step is to run the program. For that, go and click the run button. Run module. So the answer after addition equals to 30. So this is what we have written in the print statement. So that is why I got the answer after addition equals to 30. Now, the second way of writing the program is to accept the number from the user. So instead of writing 10 and 20 here, I am accepting the value from the user. So it is a number. So what we have to do is we should use the int and input function. Then enter the number. Write the message, enter the first number. First number for addition. Two brackets because we have two start brackets are there. So two brackets are closed. Similarly, copy the same line here. Int of input, enter the second number. Second number. Now I'm going to save the file. Whenever you make if you made a small change also, you have to save the file. Now run the file. Enter the first number for addition. So let it be 10. Then enter the second number for addition. So that is 20. The answer after addition equals to 30. So here you can decide the number when you run the program. So at the runtime you have the right to decide the program. But in the previous case, you are directly giving the value inside the program. So during running, you have no option to change the number. It is fixed. So now we can do one more thing. We can subtract. So sub is a variable. Sub is equals to num1 minus num2. Okay. Now I'm going to print the answer also. After subtraction equals to not sum because sub is the variable. So sub. Here we can remove this addition statement because we are not doing addition only, we are doing subtraction also. Okay, now perfect. File, save. Run the program. Enter the first number. Suppose the number is 100. Enter the second number, 30. So the answer after addition equals to 30 and answer after subtraction is equal to 70. So I think this is clear for you. In the first, when we write the first step, we directly gave the value. Then we did addition program by using int and input function, which accepts the value from the user and displayed the answer. Here we did addition and subtraction. Likewise, you can do multiplication, division, then exponents, modular sign, all these things you can do. So this is a basic program in Python which is used for adding and subtracting. I think this program is clear for you. Thank you. Keep watching.